Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn some Christmas words. Are you ready? Santa Claus, a jolly man who brings presents to children. Reindeer, Santa's helpers who pull his sleigh. Elf, little helpers who make toys in Santa's workshop. Christmas tree, a decorated tree for Christmas. Presents, gifts, things we give and receive during Christmas. Stocking, a big sock hung by the fireplace for small gifts. Ornaments, decorations for the Christmas tree. Lights, twinkling bulbs that make everything bright and festive. Star, a shiny decoration placed at the top of the Christmas tree. Sleigh, a special cart Santa uses to travel. Candy cane, a sweet red and white striped candy shaped like a cane. Well done, kids! You've learned so much today. Remember, Christmas is all about joy, kindness, and sharing.